Hi, I am Mujabeng Senegal Ndebele, and I'm a human rights activist. My work is largely systemic, but I occasionally lend my voice to initiatives, campaigns, and global movements that fight against gender-based violence. Today, I am here to call on fellow public figures, content creators, influencers, and really just anyone with a platform, especially in the digital sphere in this day and age. It is important that we recognize that those numbers on our follower list, they are human beings, and some of them are navigating unimaginable circumstances, including gender-based violence. So it is equally important to recognize that as long as you have a platform, an audience, you are to some degree influential. And with influence comes great responsibility. So while we have our different niches and expertise, gender-based violence is not a subject that we can afford to be careless on. It is a serious human rights issue. And at its extreme, society loses a woman, a parent loses their child, and a child loses their mother. The reality is, having a platform doesn't automatically make us qualified to advise on each and every topic. Sometimes one of the most responsible things we can do with our influence is to amplify the messages and the advices of the professionals, the experts, the organizations that have the expertise and the experience to lead these kinds of conversations. This is in no way condoning limiting freedom of expression. No. It is just recognizing that with gender-based violence, one wrong advice could potentially cost someone their life. Ultimately, our platforms, our choice of content, but we have got to draw the line somewhere. And my plea, draw that line at gender-based violence.